Welcome. Today I will move JBL Live Free Noise Cancelling Plus earbuds, and I will show you how we can perform the reset of this device. So at first I will show you that I'm connected with my iPhone, so I have to open the case and also open the JBL headphones application. Tap right here, and after a few seconds we'll be back, and there it is. As you can see, I'm connected. So how to perform the reset? You have to open the Bluetooth settings at the first. Select your JBL Live Free Noise Cancelling earbuds. Tap to disconnect and click to forget this device. Confirm. And what you have to do right now, you have to keep that case open. Just rotate for 1 second and take a look. At the back we can find this button. We have to click and hold it for 5 seconds until this indicator blinks on the red. After that we have to release that button and it will be finished. So take a look. Click and hold back button. Let's make it right now. Take a look on the indicator. It blinks, so when it disappears we can release that button. And right now we can close the case, turn off the Bluetooth, turn it on back, open the case. They will be pops in the pairing mode automatically. There it is, so we can tap on them once. Right now we are successfully connected. So we can go back for the headphones application, and there it is. That's how we can perform the reset of this device. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.